In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post a long video to your Instagram account. There are a couple of ways you can do this, so let's get started as if we were going to post directly to our Instagram account. Hit the plus sign at the bottom, and here is the long video. This is over a minute. Go ahead and hit next. Perfect. So Instagram will actually prompt you as to how you can post this directly to your Instagram account. You can choose to shorten this video to be up to a minute, or you can continue having it be your long video as an Instagram or IGTV post. Hit continue either way. Now you can choose from here what your thumbnail picture will be, or you can add from your gallery, which means you can create your own custom graphics, say in Canva. Choose next. So your title and your description are what people are going to see on your account as the caption. You can also add this to a series if you have one, or create your own. If you're not sure what any of these elements are, feel free to click and Instagram will educate you on what all the moving parts mean. You can edit your preview, edit the cover. You can also make it visible on Facebook if you have your business page and your business Instagram account connected. And then go ahead and click post. The other way that you can post a video is to your story. So click on the home button and swipe right. On the bottom left-hand corner, choose from your gallery. Here's my video. So as you can see, you can choose audio on or off. It will actually take your video and cut it down into 15 seconds across these 4 separate videos. So once you hit next, you can choose to have it go to your story. If you have Facebook already connected, for example, it'll go there. So those are 2 really simple ways you can be educating your audience, supporting your community, providing great virtual content by uploading videos to your Instagram account.
And remember to virus-proof your business with our Small Business Survival Kit.